Good morning, boys. Hope all are well. Boys, do you study in your home attentively? Hope you do. Okay, boys, your test exam. Your test exam is so close. Okay, remind it, your test exam is so close. For ICT, its syllabus is full book. Okay, syllabus is full book, so read it attentively and practice the MCQ in your home. Okay, in the previous class we saw the e-service and Bangladesh. Now we see e-commerce and Bangladesh. Look, there is no substitute for trade and business for the progress and creation of jobs in a country. There is no substitute for trade and business for the progress and creation of jobs in a country. A chance has been brought about in the business sector of Bangladesh for the electronic innovation of digital technology and the internet and exchanging process besides paper currency. Running a business through an electronic medium is known as e-commerce. Running a business through an electronic medium is known as a e-commerce. There are some terms and conditions in business. Firstly, the seller must have the commodity. Secondly, the buyers will pay the price of the product. These transactions requires direct communication of the seller and buyer. However, in the era of internet, nowadays sellers may create a website and display the images of their products. The buyers, after choosing the commodity, pay the price and get it. The buyers have the facilities to pay the price through debit and credit cards. They can pay through mobile banking even. Thirdly, on receipt of the payment, the sellers either deliver the products themselves or by the courier. Another payment method is through courier service after receiving the price. The bill payment can also be done in the cash on delivery method, which is different from mobile banking and debit or credit card payment. The purchaser chooses the product from the website of the seller and orders for supply. The seller, after getting the order, sends it to the buyers who pays the bill after receiving it. This is called cash on delivery method. Okay, this is called cash on delivery method. This online business nowadays is very popular, and we used to in this situation. Naturally, we used to this e-commerce or online business. Okay, e-commerce has been gradually increasing in Bangladesh since 2011 to 12. Now everything including books, garments, food, luxurious goods, etc. is sold or bought through e-commerce. Two types of establishments are noticed in e-commerce, like a conventional business. One kind of establishment sells only its own product and another kind sells the products of different companies. Two types. One type ki it sells its own products and another kind ki they sells the products of different companies. You have already watched advertisements of some websites on the internet, television and in the newspaper. Okay, so hope understand what is e-commerce. Then ICT in the job sector of Bangladesh. Nowadays, the multifarious use and impact of ICT in the job sector is noticed in Bangladesh like other countries. The impact and capacity of ICT are gradually increasing. Two types of impact of ICT are noticed. First, the introduction of ICT in the prevailing working sectors has enhanced the skills of the employees and extended the market. Second, ICT itself has created new job opportunities. Okay, the use of ICT in the prevailing existing job sector and old business sectors. On the one hand, has enhanced the efficiency, transparency, and accountability of the professional groups. On the other hand, has increased the standard of service. Skill in ICT is now regarded as the elementary qualification for any job. Employees of bank, insurance, multinational companies, and government sectors need to be skilled in word processing, presentation software, internet browsing, email management, analytical software, etc. In addition, they have to develop expertise in specific software products such as banking software. On top of it, ICT has created a large jobs market of making hardware, software, developing websites, maintenance, etc. Now it is a big market for the skilled workers who can work at home or abroad and set up their own ICT firms. Okay. A major part of the task can be accomplished at home. Many people foreign currency for the country through outsourcing. Okay. Many people earn foreign currency for the country through outsourcing. Okay, by using internet or network. Then social networking and ICT. Social mobility and development require communication amongst individual human beings. So, social communication means interaction among people through virtual communication and networking. In other words, what people create and exchange to communicate and express by using the internet and ICT is called social networking. Now this communication has become easier, cost-effective and usually safe. By using the internet, email, mobile phone and messaging system, blogging and platform of social networking, the ICT-based social networking has been made easy. Platforms have been set up on the internet known as social networking. Two most popular social networking websites are Facebook and Twitter. Okay, www.facebook.com. It is one of the most famous social networking. Facebook is a website of the social networking system. Mark Zuckerberg, along with some of his friends, launched this site. Anyone can be a member of Facebook without any subscription. The users can add friends, send messages, update their personal information and give status and share information with others. Besides, audios and videos can be sent through it. Any organization can open its homepage on Facebook, and at the same time, like-minded people can form a Facebook group. According to www.statistica.com report of July-September 2018, the number of Facebook users in the world was 2.7 billion. Then www.twitter.com. Twitter is a social network too, but it has a basic difference with Facebook. What? The users have to express themselves and exchange opinions within 140 characters. Within only 140 characters. That is why it can be called a website of microblogging. It can be called a website of microblogging. The message of 140 words is called the tweet. The tweets of tweeters are displayed on their profile page. The members of the tweeters can follow other members to read the tweets. Those who follow a member are called followers. Okay, boys? In the next class, we practice some MCQ from chapter 1 on the topic. Okay, on the topic ICT in the job sector in Bangladesh, e-commerce, e-service, e-learning. Okay, e-governance. Okay, these are the topics. These are the topics we practice MCQ. Okay, from these topics we practice MCQ. Okay, be prepared. Okay, no more 2J. Thanks to all.